Cadiz is the oldest city in Western Europe, and some claim it is the oldest city in Europe. The capital of the Costa de la Luz is a low-key, unpretentious city that shines for its wonderful seafood, blue flag beaches and historic center that hides a cornucopia of fascinating little attractions. It's all set up for a very indulgent holiday spent on a sun lounger by day and with loved ones over a delicious, leisurely Spanish meal in the evenings. Cadiz has been continuously inhabited throughout the years, from its founding by the Phoenicians to the Roman rule to the Moorish rule to the Reconquista, so visiting such a piece of history is more than a privilege. Shopping in Cadiz is a real treat for the senses. A great and easy experience is made possible by a variety of stores, the smells from its food markets and friendly store owners. From shopping malls to small neighborhood stores, there is something for everyone. Handcrafted goods, home decor, furniture, clothing, souvenirs, leather goods, books, music, and occasionally even a bazaar where you can find unique gifts. Calle Ancha and Calle Columela are the main shopping streets in the historic quarter. The former is the city's heart. It begins in Plaza de San Antonio and runs in a straight line until it ends at Calle Novena, also a great shopping destination, and Calle José del Toro. Because this was the first pedestrianized street, it became a popular location for the most exclusive shops. Residential-style buildings with elegant facades and marble entrances can be found here. The Cadiz Museum provides a crash course in the city's history, art and folk traditions, with each category located on a different floor of the museum. If you enjoy ancient archaeology, the ground floor is a treat for you. All of the best finds from the Roman port have been permanently exhibited here, and there are sarcophagi with human figures depicted in the sculptures on their lids. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Peter Paul Rubens, Francisco de Zurbarán, and Murillo Renaissance and Baroque artwork can be found on the first floor of the Cadiz Museum, which is a surprising collection. The top floor features a display of the regional Tanorica puppetry tradition, which peaked in the early 20th century when Falla composed music to accompany performances and Picasso even painted the scenery. With the Atlantic on its doorstep, it's only natural that Cadiz will have fantastic fish and seafood restaurants. Many of the best are located near Playa de Juan Dios, just a few steps from the port. El Faro has been a staple for years, and trying the deep-fried fish platter prepared in the Cadiz style, served with a squeeze of lemon and regional white wine, is a good choice. The best fish stews use recipes that have evolved over time on board trawlers, and they are also delicious. Tapas are another aspect of the lifestyle in Cadiz. A tapa to accompany your beverage of choice such as beer or sherry, fino, is included in the cost of the beverage.